girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Himanshu, and today I am going to show you an amazingly modified bike which is Suzuki Gixxer SF. So my friend will continue about the mods which he has done on it. So Harsh, continue.
Hi guys, my name is Harsh and this is my Suzuki Gixxer SF 2016 model, and I've been owning this bike for last 4 or 5 years, basically 5 years now. इसमें मैंने बहुत मॉडिफिकेशंस किए हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर DIY, मैंने सब खुद से किया हुआ है. सो फ्रंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स गेट फ्रॉम द हेडलाइट. सो दिस इज़ स्टॉक हेडलाइट, बट मैंने इसको अंदर से पूरा कस्टमाइज़ किया है. एक प्रोजेक्टर है, नीचे भी एक प्रोजेक्टर है इसमें, एंड सिंगल LED बल्ब है उसके अंदर हेडलाइट का. आई विल स्विच इट ऑन फॉर यू. सी, आई हैव अ सेपरेट स्विच फॉर दीज लाइट्स.
ओके, ऑपरेटिंग मोड्स भी है इसमें.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट,
and this is a basic low beam high beam, and ये साइड के जो इंडिकेटर्स हैं I have connected them to the parking light, so it gives a super bike look from a distance, and from a distance you might get confused and this bike looks like something like a super bike which is a CBR 650F, because the paint scheme of this bike and that bike is pretty much the same. So, and this is also a story behind that. I did this because मेरा accident हुआ था एक, तो बाइक ये साइड पूरी गिरी थी, तो all this part got damaged. Closely you can see यहाँ पे crack है हल्का सा, and this also got scraped पूरा. तो मैंने एक खुद को ट्राई दिया और इसको खुद से पेंट किया है पूरा. ये पिन स्ट्राइपिंग सब खुद से किया हुआ है.
ओके,
एंड आगे से also one more thing, I have installed this visor. This visor is from a Yamaha Phaser
Okay.
version 1. So I have bolted on the stock visor, so it looks like a bubble visor. And पीछे चल के देखते हैं तो this is my Insta handle, HYK Harsh.
you can follow him on Insta.
Yes. And this is just a Suzuki Hayabusa logo because I loved it, and this is a Hayabusa 150, I would say. And I've got a racing exhaust. This is not a Akrapovic, of course it's a slip-on, and it's a free flow racing exhaust. I've got पीछे से देखें तो I have removed the tail. It's a tail delete, not a tail tidy also. It doesn't have indicators behind because my actual indicator switch also doesn't work right now, so doesn't matter. And I'll switch on the lights for you. I have installed these lights here. Let me show it to you. Okay. And so also talking about the tire, let's get to the tire. This is a 130/70/17 tire. This doesn't come with the bike on stock. It comes with a 140/60 tire. I have tried many sizes on this bike. मैंने इसके बाद इस पे 150/60 लगाया था जो डोमिनर और RC 200 में आता है. फिर उसके बाद मैंने 140/70 लगाया जस्ट फॉर द शो एंड लुक, बट उससे बाइक का हैंडलिंग और वो बहुत हैवी चलती है. 150cc है, तो पावर बहुत ड्रॉप होता है उसमें. सो बहुत जब से मैंने ये एग्जॉस्ट का एंड फिल्टर का काम किया, तो मेरा मोटिव ये था कि इसको थोड़ा पावरफुल बाइक, मतलब थोड़ा ट्रैक फोकस बनाने का. और मेन इंस्पिरेशन बेसिकली इफ़ यू गाइस नो, जिक्सर कप होता है. जो ये बाइक लॉन्च हुई थी तब जिक्सर कप स्टार्ट हुआ था. So my inspiration was that bike. Come here, I'll show you the exhaust. This exhaust is basically the same which comes on a Gixxer Cup bike, but that exhaust is थोड़ा छोटा. यहाँ उसका size इससे छोटा रहता है. It's a short can.
Okay.
So for the top end performance, I wanted a long can. So I got the same looking exhaust with better sound and better bass. Let me switch it on and show it to you. but in real it is quite bassy, and because that SC project and all, it's loud, but they hurt your ears. So I got this one. And what else is remaining here? Let me show. Yeah, the belly. This part also, this got scraped while cornering or something like that. So I just decided to paint it myself. I just masked this part and painted this red.
And also I can see dual horns here to fill the gap.
Yeah. Some companies are making the fairing fillers for this bike, like it comes from here till here, and that costs around 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. This cost me around 100 rupees and solves the purpose. And also I changed the handlebar. Come here, I'll show you. This is a 3-piece handlebar. Nothing that fancy, just looks fancy and a bit more committed position. And this is a normal mobile holder because I go on rides, so it comes handy. What else is there? And also some wrapped parts. As you can see, this is full carbon fiber wrapped. This part, and my grab rails are also wrapped here. These are wrapped in pearl white wrap. This, and my seat is also having a carbon fiber finish, and this tank. This tank also. So that's pretty much the modifications on this bike. Now Himanshu will continue with the riding experience of this bike.
Yeah, so I will try out the bike by riding it, and I will meet you on the GoPro. Yeah, so now I'll go for a test run. The exhaust sounds really good. Now let's check the speed and all about this. So I will head to the main road to check the performance of this bike. So let's go. Sounds really good. So the carburetor of this bike is tuned by him only, so the pickup is very good. Mid range is sort of in medium range, and the top end is also good. So again I will put it. Yeah, so concluding, it's a good bike after 4 years also, and you can definitely go for it. And also guys, I forgot to mention that this bike has an custom, no sorry, not custom, this bike has an K&N filter in it, so the performance increases because of it. So that's the review of this bike, Suzuki Gixxer SF, which is owned by Harsh. So that was my review, and I hope you liked my video, and if yes, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will bring some more videos related to bike and cars. So that's it. Goodbye.